What's up, everybody? This boy BK, and I am here ready to run through another chart with you guys. As you know, um, I'm on the money train. Dash is cash, and the boss method said we should have bought this thing about 2.5 days ago. If you would have done that, you can see that we would be up about 64% right now. So what I wanted to do on this call with you guys is go through the chart, where we stand today, how we're looking moving into the next couple of days, and really what to expect with this chart. Um, and so here we go. We are on tradingview.com. This is a 343 minute chart. This is going to be a quick advanced technical analysis of our method. So if you haven't yet gotten familiarized with how we do things, just check out Chart Like a Boss, the playlist. I'll put a link right in the description for you guys. Click on that video, watch 2 or 3 videos right from the top, and you'll understand the method. Again, what we're looking at right now, I'm gonna cut these candles off so we can just focus on the core content. What we're looking at is a 7 right there, the white line, a 21, the red line, a 77, the blue line, and a 231, those candles right there, right? So I got all 4 up for you guys. A lot of times people ask me, which one should you use? You can use all of them, you can use 2 of them, right? At the end of the day, the most 2 important are the 7 and the 77, but you can see I still have the 21 and the 231 there as well. So it's really up to you what you're looking at, what you would like to see, and how deep, down the rabbit hole you want to go, right? So quick overview, guys. You see that this thing has been pretty much waving sideways for about 3 months now, right? We went up, we went down, we went up, we went down, right? Just like a roller coaster. But to be honest, that is a trader's dream, because Dash is fairly consistent with the cycles it gives and the profit that it yields. So what I'm going to show you guys is how we can pinpoint these energy cycles and make some real deal money. First thing we're going to do is throw up some cycle lines. You can see all I did was I just threw a simple trend line, right? Breakout to breakdown right there. And if you want to see me draw it, this is how we do it. Boom, boom, breakout, 1, breakdown, 2. Just a simple trend line. I got those blue boxes highlighted for you guys so you can see, where you can do it on your chart as well. With that, I am going to do a cyclic line, cycles, boom, boom, right? A lot of people ask me where this tool is. Here it is, right there. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, and right there, boom, boom, put a little star on it. So you have it in your toolbar ready to go. This is my toolbar right down there to the lower left, right? So you can see this thing almost does a ridiculous job at pinpointing these energy cycles. So we got breakout, breakdown, right? And guess what it did here? It showed us the bottom of that range, right? On this next cycle, what do we get? We get the cross going back out into the breakout, and now we're in a positive energy channel, right? And again, just to go through the basic parts of any cycle that we review, we always are going to have a breakout, breakdown, flatline, breakout, breakdown, flatline. What comes next? Breakout, right? Now let's see what's happening inside this chart. We have that. I apologize if it's kind of loud. I am on vacation with my family in Florida, sunny Florida. So I still just wanted to jump on, jump on the charts with you guys, trying to make some money. Even on my days off, I'm still getting paid. Real quick, we're about to do a Fibonacci extension. Boom, boom, like a boss one time. What does that do for us? It does 2 things. It starts to pinpoint the energy on the correction, right? Now, keep in mind, this is a reversal Fibonacci tool. So what I just did right there, and I'm actually going to hold off on that one. I'm going to go down to a 77 so we can try to pinpoint that a little bit better. But what I'm trying to do is really get, there you go. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's a lot better. So check this out. So we have our trend line. We have our cycles. Now, what happens when I do this? If I do that and just throw that thing down, look at what happens. We bounced right off the 2.4, right? Which means we will confirm at the 1.6, which is exactly what happened right there. Again, I'm just freestyling this literally as we speak, but you can see when all I did, you guys, is went from breakdown, and it's going to give you these natural points that you can triangulate this energy off of. What happened? We broke down, or we bounced out of the 2.4, which means we were going to confirm it on the 1.6, almost like a little loop-de-loop, right? And once we confirmed it on the 1.6, what are we going to do again? We're going to confirm it on the 1.2. What happens after that? We're going to confirm it. Actually, we tried to confirm it. We would have needed to confirm it on that 1.0. We didn't do that. We actually confirmed a breakdown on the 1.2 all the way down to the 2.4. And now we're cooking with some gas, because once we go up above that 1.6, you can see what happened. It's almost like afterburner. Do I think this breakout is going to be forever? Absolutely not. What can you expect? You can expect to come back and confirm it at the 0.64 line. In addition to that, and that shows you kind of like the micro cycles happening in the present day, right? So what I'm going to do now is we're going to jump back out. Let's clear some of this off. Jump back out to a 343. Now that we understand these are literally micro cycles of the same Fibonacci that are kind of playing out on the 77, we can go up to a 343 to get a better idea of how this is all coming together in real time. So one of the things I wanted to do here was I'm going to use three areas, three intersections for this triangle, and I'm going to try to show you how to pinpoint this energy moving inside Dash right now. Let me get this cleaned up real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Since we got that, we can go ahead and reverse this thing back just to give us the energy we're looking for in the positive direction, instead of going on those micro cycles. Check this out. Let's do the 1.6. Boom, 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 boom. That'll be the 1.0. This is going to be pretty amazing, you guys. Watch this. What I'm going to do here, so I'm going to draw you a triangle. Right? We'll do one triangle. Oh, just on a side note, you can see that when you do have a really good trend line, it does hold in the past and in the future. So you can see if we would have just dropped it on that intersection, it holds all the way through. You get that intersection, you get that top end, you get that breakdown, right? We can do the same thing going out, but I'm going to show you another method to really pinpoint this energy right here. So we're going to do a triangle right there from that intersection to that intersection to like that intersection right there, right? Now what that does is that should give us the next waves moving into the chart, right? Delete that one, that was like an extra one. So when we copy and paste it, and I'm just gonna move it up one extension. To where you can see when this thing is put almost right on top of it, that's almost exactly where we're breaking down at right now, right? So you can see it's pretty crazy how this energy inside this thing works, and we almost have 2 microcycles working right there, ultimately giving us back this whole focus area at energy right there at the 1.0, right here at this next macro cycle of the cycle lines, which all came from this point right here, right? So all this thing did was created an entire system. It's almost like a sine wave, to where when it hits this point, it's going to have some tremendous energy, you guys, and you can expect to create a new system that will more than likely be above that 0.10. So right now, Dash is roughly 0.86. It's going to go up, come down, centralize right here at that next macro point, and probably break out north of 0.10. Dash is cash, you guys. I've been saying this for a few months now. It's been one of the best performers in the market with regards to just really holding its own versus Bitcoin, not taking that big loss. We had a pretty big fall off here, but you can see we've resonated quite well, and we're ready to make a huge gain over these next couple days, moving into the first of the year and moving into first couple weeks in January. I think the first couple weeks in January are going to be monumental for these big time charts to get the energy that they need to have a beautiful spring. I think the spring is going to be quite well received by the institutions and the investors alike. Right, a lot of people, are finally waking up to crypto. And as I've been saying, when they do, we will welcome them with open arms. So this is what you got to look forward to. A lot of profits, a lot of green candles in the future. Dash will be one of them. Hopefully this video helps. Again, if you're just now starting off, make sure you check out our resources over at bossofbitcoin.com. One of the things I'm doing is I've been able to put together a few lists for you guys of must-have coins for any given situation, right? The dream team, the next generation of greatness. This is basically like having, Kobe with the mini fro wearing the number 8 jersey, Baby Shaq playing for Orlando, what I'm saying, young LeBron before he went to Miami. Right, and that dude in that yellow jersey with that number 30 on, I don't know who that is, but what I'm saying, they say I like skinned dudes back in style, so I guess we could include him in the conversation too. What I'm saying? So these are the next generation coins. These coins are literally transcending what the legacy coins did and evolving it into useful utilizations, right? And a lot of them are highly undervalued as well. Cryptopolis is my banger list right now. These coins are really going to pave the way for this whole new, singularity civilization that they're building out for us to walk into. And if you're looking to profit over the next, decade with cryptocurrency, then these coins will be leading that way for you. So again, bossofbitcoin.com. You can also check out our Facebook group, hashtag one Bitcoin group in the world, number one Bitcoin group in the world, 18,000, 19,000 members and counting. We let in a few hundred every day. So make sure you jump over there and join if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you found this helpful, just give it a thumbs up. That way our community can see it in the YouTube algorithm. I do not monetize these videos anymore. I rely 100% on the community to pave the way for future infrastructure. So again, falsabitcoin.com, number one Bitcoin group in the world, and we have new videos every day on the chart. So if this helps you out, you guys, make sure you let me know, leave me a comment, show me some love, and again, you know what I'm saying, jump on the money train because it's leaving the station. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.